In this video, I'm gonna introduce you eShare W80, the wireless conferencing system, and also this dongle, eShare D20. We're gonna do a use demo so that you can see how it works directly. And this is eShare W80, and it's like a meeting room terminal that links all the meeting room gear all together. And also this is the dongle. It works with eShare W80, and it's for screen sharing and for holding up a hybrid meeting. In today's use demo, I'm gonna use this speakerphone, Anyco M1, and also the video bar over there, Anyco V8. Actually, they are a whole hybrid meeting room kit, so you can find it at avss.com if you're interested. So let's get started. So if in an in-person meeting you want to share a screen, it's pretty easy with this dongle. If this is the first time you use it, you're gonna pair it first. So this is a pairing part, and you need to plug it in. Wait until the screen shows like pairing successful. So it is paired successfully now. So you can unplug it and put it into your laptop, whatever devices you want to share. So wait until this light stays on. Now, give it a click. That's it. So it's pretty easy. And if you want to stop sharing, just give it a click, and it will be disconnected, or just unplug it. So this is how this dongle works. So you can also use Miracast and AirPlay to cast your screen. First of all, you need to make sure your device and eShare W80 are in the same network. You can use its built-in Wi-Fi module, or you can use this LAN port on the back panel to connect to your office network. And now I'm gonna cast my Windows laptop here using the Miracast. And so it takes only a few seconds, right? And okay, I have an iPad here, and I also can cast my iPad screen using AirPlay. Okay, now it's shared successfully on another TV. You can also use a wired option if you don't want to use the wireless. You can use this HDMI cable to connect to the HDMI in port, and another end connect to your laptop. One good thing about eShare W80 is that you can share almost all kinds of devices. Your laptop, your iPad, your cell phone. As long as the devices have an HDMI port or USB-C port that can connect with the dongle, or it has the screen mirror feature to cast your screen via Miracast or AirPlay. So it's good for all kinds of meetings. So the most important thing about hybrid meeting is that you need to make sure everybody in the meeting room can be seen and heard clearly. So eShare D20 can be used for screen sharing like we have shown before. And the most important thing, it can help you hold a successful hybrid meeting. So just plug it into your laptop, wait until the light stays on, just like we have done before. Click, and now your screen has shown on the TV. So one thing, you need to click this little button here, and you can see the color has changed now. So now I am the host of the meeting, and I can control the speakerphone and the video bar. I can select it here. It's the room camera and room audio. Okay, so we are ready for hybrid meeting now. And I'm gonna invite my colleague John into the meeting, and let's see how this works. Hi John, how are you?
Yeah, great. So you're doing demo, right?
Yeah, I'm doing a use demo for our users. It's about eShare W80. So can you say hi to them?
Of course, yeah. Hey guys, well, believe me, eShare W80 is the best hybrid conference system that you can get at a very reasonable price.
Yes, nice pitch. So how do I sound? I'm using the V8 and M1 now.
Oh, well, the quality of the video is excellent and I can hear you clearly as well.
Okay, excellent. So I'm gonna get back to my audience now. So thanks for joining me, John, and have a good day.
Yeah, have a good day.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thanks. Okay, so you can use multiple dongles with eShare W80. For example, if we have Jane coming into our meetings now, and if she wants to present her screen as well, just grab nearby dongle here and cast her screen just like I did before. First thing, click the button. Okay, now you can see two screens are shown on the TV. So here are two laptops connected to eShare W80. Who will be the host? Like, remember, whoever clicked that, yes, that little button there will be the host. Now, Jane is the host now. Can see the color has changed, right? So we have two TVs. No worry, if you want to have two presenters present together, but you only have one TV in a room, I'm gonna unplug this TV right here. So if you have only one TV, you still have dual view to see two screens. So, okay, thanks Jane for joining us. I'm gonna have this TV back. Actually, these dongles, they are really considerate. Like when you are sharing your screen, the whole team can see what's going on your desktop, right? For example, if you want to deal with some secret business, reply a message to your boss or like doing something irrelevant and you don't want to be seen by everybody. So you can do this. Double click the dongle and you can see the screen is paused now. Actually, it's freezed now. So your desktop here is totally safe and kept to yourself and you can do whatever you want here. And how to unfreeze it, just click it again. And now the screen is unfreezed. That's it. If your laptop has no USB-C port, you still have a backup plan, an HDMI cable to connect to the TV, and a USB cable to control the in-room devices. That's it. eShare W80 is a plug-and-play meeting room solution. No driver needed, totally no-brainer that everyone can use. So if you have any questions, just feel free to contact us at info@avss.com. Have a nice day.